Hey guys, this video is to help you learn how to read off of a chord chart. Please remember a chord is when you're going to be strumming down through all of the strings. It's when we're playing what we call the harmony. It's where two or more pitches are sounded at the same time. In order for us to read and to learn how to play these chords, we read what's called a chord chart, and you have it right here on the video in front of you. First of all, you need to realize that this is a visual representation of the first 4 frets of the ukulele. So if I were holding the ukulele up and staring at the front of it, this would be what I'd see. Remember, this part right here is the nut. That nut is the very top of the neck, right where it meets the head. And then the strings are all of these vertical lines going straight up and down. And remember, this is the first string, and this one over here is the 4th. That way you don't get confused. Also, when you take a look at these horizontal lines, those are the fret wires. Remember, the fret is the space that is in between fret wires. And this is where you're going to put your fingers in order to create the different sounds that we're going to need. So when we're taking a look at a chord chart, it's going to show us exactly in which fret and on which string we're going to put our fingers to play a specific chord. So right here you can see that there's this 3, and it's in the 3rd fret, and it's on the 1st string. The name of this chord, because every chord has a name, is C. We'll talk later about where we get those names from, but you're going to need to know and start to remember that when you're asked to play a C major chord, that you will put your 3rd finger, that's what the 3 in the dot there is telling you, your 3rd finger on the 1st string in the 3rd fret. All right? These chord charts are something that can be a little bit tricky, and so it's really important that you keep track of all of the chords you know. So make sure you look for the video that's going to tell you how to fill out your cheat sheet for ukulele, and that will help you to kind of catalog and write down the chords you know how to play, and also serve as a really quick reference when you're starting to play. All right, good luck.